Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Blaze AI and Canva. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or business owner, choosing the right tool can make all the difference. Let's explore what each offers, the pros and cons, how much each costs, and determine which one suits your needs best, and ultimately which one is best for design. Let's find out. Blaze AI is an AI-driven content creation platform designed to automate and streamline marketing efforts. It's tailored for entrepreneurs, agencies, and businesses aiming to scale their content production efficiently. Blaze AI can generate various content types, including blog posts, social media updates, emails, and even video scripts. Its goal is to handle the heavy lifting of content creation, allowing you to focus on strategy and growth. On the other hand, Canva is a graphic design platform that has revolutionized the way we create visual content. From social media graphics to presentations and videos, Canva offers a user-friendly interface with a vast library of templates and design elements. Recently, Canva has integrated AI features like Magic Write and Magic Media, enhancing its capabilities in content generation and design automation. In essence, Blaze AI focuses on content creation with an emphasis on marketing, while Canva provides a comprehensive suite for visual design, now augmented with AI-powered tools. Now let us talk about the main features of each platform. First, Blaze. Blaze offers AI-powered content generation. You can create high-quality content across various formats, including blogs, social media posts, emails, and more, in seconds. Content repurposing. You can transform existing content into different formats to maximize reach and engagement. Brand voice cloning. You can analyze your existing content to maintain a consistent brand voice across all materials. Automated scheduling and posting. You can plan and publish content directly to your platforms, saving time and ensuring consistency. SEO optimization. You can enhance your content's visibility with built-in SEO tools. How about Canva? Canva provides a drag-and-drop design interface. You can easily create designs with a user-friendly interface and a vast library of templates and elements. AI features. You can utilize tools like Magic Write for content generation and Magic Media for AI-powered image generation. Brand kits. You can maintain brand consistency with stored logos, colors, and fonts. Collaboration tools. You can work seamlessly with team members in real time. Extensive export options. You can download your designs in various formats suitable for different platforms and purposes. Both platforms are continually evolving, integrating more AI features to enhance user experience and efficiency. Now let us talk about the pricing. For Blaze AI, they offer several plans. There's a creator plan for people just starting their marketing journey at $26 per month, the Pro plan at $37 per month for people expanding their marketing efforts. There's a team plan, which is the most popular one, for small teams that are growing their content production and workflow at $59 per month. There's also an agency plan at $150 per month for teams and agencies that maintain multiple brands. And there's an enterprise plan, which is $399 per month when billed annually. It's designed for organizations with ambitious growth targets. You can book a demo to see how they can fit it into your organization. And good enough, all the plans have a free trial where you can test if this is the right one for you. How about Canva? There's the free plan where you have access to basic design tools and templates. There's a Pro plan at approximately $12.99 per month. And there's also a team plan and an enterprise plan. Canva also offers discounts for educational institutions and non-profits, making it accessible to a broader audience. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using both platforms. We'll start with the pros. For Blaze, rapid content generation across multiple platforms. You can maintain consistent brand voice on Blaze. There are integrated SEO tools and automate scheduling and posting. And the pros of using Canva? There's intuitive design interface which is suitable for beginners. There's an extensive library of templates and design elements. There are collaboration features to enhance team productivity. And there's an affordable pricing with a robust free plan. How about the cons? For Blaze, primarily focused on text-based content with limited design capabilities, and the higher pricing tiers may be costly for small businesses. For Canva, the AI content generation features are still developing, and it may not offer the depth of content creation tools that are text-based, which are found on specialized platforms like Blaze AI. But each platform definitely has its strengths, and the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs. So, which tool is best for design? If your primary focus is on generating written content quickly and efficiently, especially for marketing purposes, Blaze AI stands out. Its ability to produce diverse content and maintain brand consistency is invaluable for content marketers and agencies. However, if visual design is at the forefront of your needs, Canva is the go-to platform. Its user-friendly interface, extensive template library, and collaborative features make it ideal for creating stunning visuals without the need for advanced design skills. Well, for those seeking a blend of both, integrating Blaze AI's content generation capabilities with Canva's design tools could offer a comprehensive solution, combining the strengths of both platforms. But of course, that might be on the higher side when we talk about the pricing. That's it on the review of Blaze AI and Canva. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Adobe Express, Jasper AI, and Vista Create. Thanks for joining me on this comparison. I hope this breakdown helps you make an informed decision. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.